Imagine living in a world with no farms, no supermarkets, no villages, no cities. Every meal depended on hunting wild animals or finding plants in the wilderness. Now imagine one curious boy discovering an idea so powerful that it would change human history forever. This is the story of Aro, the boy who unknowingly started a revolution. 10,000 years ago, Aro lived with a small tribe near a frozen valley. Life was hard. Every day, hunters traveled miles searching for food. The tribe depended entirely on nature. But this year was different. Winter arrived early. Snow covered the land. Animals migrated away. The rivers froze solid. Food became harder and harder to find. Each night, families gathered around small fires with empty stomachs. Fear spread throughout the tribe. Many believed they would not survive until spring. Unlike the other children, Aro was curious. While others practiced hunting, he spent hours observing nature. He watched birds build nests. He watched wolves hunt. He watched rivers change direction after storms. The elders often laughed at him. "Watching birds won't feed the tribe," they said. But Aro never stopped asking questions. One morning he noticed something unusual. A small bird landed near a tree. The bird picked up several seeds and buried them in the ground. Then it flew away. Aro wondered why. Months passed. Winter slowly ended. As spring arrived, Aro returned to the same place. Something incredible had happened. Tiny green plants were growing exactly where the bird had buried the seeds. Aro couldn't believe it. He examined the soil carefully. The seeds had become plants. A simple idea entered his mind. If birds could grow plants, could humans do it too? The thought seemed impossible. No one had ever tried. But Aro couldn't stop thinking about it. Excited, Aro shared his idea with the tribe. The hunters laughed. The elders shook their heads. One elder said, "Food comes from hunting, not from planting seeds." Another said, "Nature controls plants. Humans cannot." Nobody believed him. But Aro refused to give up. The next day he collected seeds from wild grasses. He found a patch of soft soil beside the river. Carefully, he buried each seed. Then he waited, and waited, and waited. Weeks passed. Nothing happened. Many people mocked him. Some called him foolish. Others told him to stop wasting time. But one morning, Aro noticed tiny green shoots emerging from the ground. His heart raced. The seeds were growing. Day after day, the plants became larger. Soon they produced even more seeds. The impossible had become reality. For the first time, humans were helping food grow. The tribe was amazed. Families gathered around the growing fields. Children helped water the plants. The harvest provided more food than anyone expected. For the first time, the tribe didn't need to move constantly. They built stronger shelters. They stored extra food. More people survived each winter. Over time, farming spread from tribe to tribe. Small villages appeared, then towns, then cities, all because of one simple idea. Today, billions of people depend on agriculture. Every farm, every field, every harvest exists because someone long ago dared to ask a simple question. What if we planted the seeds ourselves? History remembers kings and warriors. But sometimes the people who change the world are simply the ones curious enough to think differently. And that's why the story of Aro, whether real or imagined, reminds us that even the smallest idea can change humanity forever. The end.